everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some small kitchen makeover ideas. Let's see the video. Here are some small kitchen makeover ideas to maximize space and style. Open shelving. Replace upper cabinets with open shelves to make the kitchen feel more spacious. Use it to display attractive dishes or plants. Vertical storage. Install hooks, pegboards, or magnetic stripes on walls for hanging utensils, pots, and pans, saving counter and cabinet space. Light colors. Choose a light color palette, whites, soft grays, pastels for walls, cabinets, and countertops to make the space appear larger and brighter. Compact appliances. Opt for smaller or multi-purpose appliances that fit your kitchen layout, like a slim refrigerator or a microwave convection oven combo. Mirrors or reflective surfaces. Incorporate reflective surfaces like a mirrored backsplash or glossy tiles to create the illusion of more space. Drawer organizers. Use drawer dividers and organizers to keep everything neatly stored and maximize your storage efficiency. Rolling cart or island. A small rolling cart or kitchen island can add extra counter space and storage, but can be easily moved out of the way when not in use. Under cabinet lighting. Install LED strip lights under cabinets to brighten up countertops and make the kitchen feel more open. Slim cabinets. Utilize narrow spaces for custom pull-out cabinets or sliding pantry shelves to store speeches, corner goods, or cleaning supplies. Backsplash redo. Update the backsplash with a bold tile or texture to add visual interest without overwhelming the space. Glass cabinet doors. Replace solid cabinet doors with glass to open up the space and make it feel lighter. Pull-out pantry. Add a slim pull-out pantry between your fridge and wall or other small spaces. Floating shelf. Consider a foldable or pull-out countertop that can be stowed away when not in use. Compact sink. Install a smaller sink or a sink cover to gain extra counter space. Multifunctional furniture. Invest in furniture that can be served multiple purposes, like a dining table that doubles as a prep station. Install a pot rack. Hang pots and pans from the ceiling or walls to free up cabinet space. Corner storage solutions. Use corner cabinets or shelving units to fully utilize every inch of your kitchen. Light flooring. Opt for light colored flooring such as fairy wood or tiles to keep the kitchen feeling open. Add a chalkboard wall. A chalkboard wall adds functionality for notes or crockery lists without taking up extra space. Cabinet racks. Use wire racks inside cabinets to add extra storage for plates, cutting boards, or lids. Sliding doors. Replace swinging cabinet or pantry doors with sliding doors to save space. Nesting bowls and utensils. Choose nesting or collapsible kitchen tools that take up less space. Lazy Susan. Install a Lazy Susan in your cabinets for better organization and access to hard to reach spaces. Vertical dividers. Use vertical dividers inside cabinets for cutting boards, baking sheets, or trays. Integrate appliances. Hide appliances like the dishwasher behind cabinetry to create a more cohesive look. Minimalist decor. Limit the number of decorative items to avoid a cluttered appearance. Under cabinet wine rack. Install a wine rack under cabinets to store bottles horizontally without taking up counter space. Use neutral tones. Neutral colors create a clean and open feel in small spaces. Install a skylight. If possible, a skylight adds natural light and makes the kitchen feel larger. backsplash or accents can make the kitchen feel larger and brighter. Thank you so much for watching these videos.